All right, today we're gonna be installing another dash cam for a, what year is this truck, Caños? 1999 F250. We're gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. Easier and still neat and won't damage anything. All right, so we installed the camera up on the top and we're gonna run same process, run the wires up to the top to the pillar, run one down to the power source, which is down there. Then the other one, we're gonna, well, we already put the cable to the bottom. Just run it to the frame with the other cables are at. And yep, so let me start moving all the wires up to the top. All right, guys, so this took a little bit longer than I thought because I had to do some adjustments to the wire that it came with this one. It was shorter, so I had luckily I had another spare one that I was able to extend. So we just ran it to the top. As you can tell, his top is kind of loose, so I had to adjust it really tight into the pillar panel. And then we ran it to the bottom and to there, all the way to the back, over the spare tire, over the frame. And we had to do some adjustments here as well. We had to run it like this since this is a different bumper style. But other than that, I framed it up there for now because I need to adjust the reverse lights or find the wire, because whoever did this before, as you can see, it's a little different. But other than that, we got most of it. And then, yep, so let me see how. Oh, todavía falta poner la pieza chiquita.
Hola.
Lo que vaya.
Oh,
well, I disconnected.
¿Quería no saber o sí? ¿Por el cablecillo?
Se puede hacer un agujerito, ¿sabes? Ahorita vas a ver. ¿O tienes tu navaja?
Sí.
Hay que cortarle el de este como una raya.
Oh, sí.
¿Sabes?
¿Dónde quedó el plastiquito?
So this is what it looks like now. Swipe to the right. There's the front, there's the rear. Front, and you can adjust it as needed. Same with the rear. Adjust. So if you want to tow the trailer or hook it up, just lower it. If you want to look back and reverse, adjust how it's needed. Yep, so that's it. Peace.